Hello, good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is Ruth from SK Public CBSE School, Hukkeri. So today we are going to start with our English class for preschool. Okay, before getting into, let's start with a small song. Shall we? Recite after me. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so hard, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Yes, children, God's love is wonderful, isn't it? Yes, we should be thankful for God for saving us, keeping us safe. In this situation, we all are at home, feeling bored. So, let's start with the class today. Today I am going to start with phonic sounds of A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Okay, so first letter is A. What does the sound of A sounds? It sounds A sounds A-N-T and. A-N-T and. Sounds Okay, you all should open your mouth wide and say the word letters properly. A sounds You can repeat the words which are starting with A. That is and. Apple. Arrow. Alligator. Okay. So next letter is B. B sounds B. B sounds B. B for boy. B boy. B for bat. B bat. B for ball. B ball. Okay. And the next letter is C. C sounds K. C sounds K. C for cake. K cake. C for cat. C for can. Cat. Can. C for candle. So C sounds K. And the next letter is D. D sounds D. D sounds D. D for drum. D for dog. D for dog. D for any words which you can? Yes, so all have to repeat the words which are sounding from A to D. Revise these 4 letters and prepare well for the sounds which are beginning with B, K and D. And in the next class, we will be continuing you with the remaining letters. So enjoy your day and have a nice day, children. Take care. Bye.